So this is the time of year to tap maple trees. We get the cold nights below freezing and warm days a little bit above freezing. And this is the time that you want to go out and tap your trees. It's only a few weeks that we get to do this. Once it gets warm enough that the trees start to bud out, then the season will be over. So, and that's all we get for the year. Sap comes out of the tree at approximately 3% sugar, maybe 1.5 to 3%. If you're lucky, it's 3%. You have to boil that down to concentrate it so that it's 66% is when it becomes maple syrup. Ideally, you want a night below freezing, and the day warms up to maybe the high 30s or low 40s, and that's a good day for a sap run. When it does that, it'll fill one of these buckets up, which are about 2 to 3 gallons in a day.